Hello and welcome. This is Rafi. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create an e-commerce website on WordPress to sell digital products. So first of all, I'm going to connect a domain name from Namecheap with my hosting package. Then I'm going to show you how to create a professional business email under the domain name so that the email will like contact@domain name, Rafi@domain name. And then I'm going to connect the domain name with my Gmail account so that we can send and receive emails from this business email completely free of cost. And after that, I'm going to show you the step-by-step process of setting up the complete e-commerce website on WordPress. So without further ado, let me take you to my computer screen and let's start learning from there. So here we go. As you can see, I am signed in with my Namecheap account, and here is the domain name that I'd love to start working with. So before I show you how to connect a domain name with your hosting account, I'd love to show you some of the platforms from where you can get your hosting package. So as you can see here on the first place, I have got HostGator, and you can check out their hosting packages. This is one of the popular hosting platforms. So their starter plan starts from $5.95 or around $6 per month, and you can host one website and it can handle up to 100k visits per month, and they are providing free SSL certificate and a free domain name. So you can check out these standard plans and business plan as well, and if it suits, you can go with this platform. After that, I have got Bluehost, which I used to use earlier, and I have got a few websites hosted now as well. They are providing good services. So I'm going to take you to WordPress hosting, and you can see their packages. So you can get starting from £2.41 per month, and you can host one website with 10 GB SSD storage. Make sure the NVMe storage is enabled so that it speed up your website loading speed. So they are providing the SSD ones, but it's still good. Okay, so on this package, £4.05, you can host 3 websites and so on and so forth. Simply check out the package. So I'm not gonna go with them for now. After that, you have got SiteGround. This is one of the best hosting platforms of shared hosting network, and yeah, they're really good. And if you just take a look, you can get started with $2.99 per month, but you can host one website on their startup plan. But on their Grow Big plan, you can host unlimited website with 20 GB web space, and they can handle up to 100k visits per month. And I'm going to attach my affiliate link and invitation link into the video description if possible, with any promo code as well. After that, we have got one of the other popular platform, which is GoDaddy. And if you check out their WordPress hosting plan, they are quite expensive, and in regard of website number, you can host only one. So this is a drawback for me, but the good thing is they're providing the NVMe storage, which is faster than the normal SSD storage, and you can get a free SSL free domain for the first year, and you have got weekly backups. And if you just take a look on these plans as well, you can check out and compare the plans, and you can choose the hosting. But let's go to the hosting package that I'm going to use for this website, and I have already hosted the 13 websites on this hosting under one single hosting package, and all of the websites working perfectly fine. So as you can see here, I'm on WordPress hosting, and if you visit from my affiliate link, which is going to be rafis.net/hosting, I'm going to attach the link into the video description. You'll be able to save money than the usual cost that you would give them, right? So after visiting this page, go to WordPress. For the disclosure, if you purchase a hosting package from any of the platforms through my affiliate links, I'll get a small commission without adding any extra cost to you. So it will be a support from your side to me. All right. So let's go and let's check out the package. On the first one, which is the premium package, you have to pay $2.49 per month, and you'll be able to host 100 websites. That's absolutely fantastic. And they are going to give you standard performance 100 GB SSD storage. So this is a drawback for me, although it's not a major change than this one to this one, but still I prefer this one, increased performance with NVMe storage. All right, so this helps to speed up your WordPress loading speed. And after that, they are providing daily backups. It is really important. This service is free for you on this platform. Then you are going to be able to create a free business email, then unlimited free SSL. Even if you create a subdomain based website, you can have your free SSL from this platform, which is really fantastic. And there is no scope or no strictness on the how many number of visitors they are going to be handled. It's unlimited. This is one of the thing. And you can get a free domain name for the first year and free CDN, which really helps with your website performance, because the image videos will be hosted on a content delivery network, not on your hosting. So that means your website performance will be really high. And then we have got this feature as well. If you want, you can upgrade to this one, but I am using this feature and I'm perfectly fine, happy with the service. So let's click on add to cart and let me show you how you can save the money. So first of all, you have to visit from my affiliate link, which I have just shared. I'm gonna share it into the video description for your easy access. And after that, let's select this option as of now just to see the difference. And after that, you can see that this is the actual amount, 201. If you just use my promo code Ajed Rafi, I'm collaborating with them, so this is how I got the promo code. So let's click on apply. You can see that the price will drop to 186 pounds. So that's a good saved. So you can use this promo code to any of these packages. Let's say if you are choosing 12 months of package, you can still save. For instance, with this code you are getting this package for 60 pounds, but if you remove this code you have to pay like 64.66 pence, right? So I already got my hosting package, so I'm gonna sign into my Hostinger account and we're gonna start working from there. Here we go. You will see a dashboard like this. If you are completely new here, you will see most probably setup things right here, but don't worry, this is really easy. Simply click on setup and you will be landed right here on this page and the process will be same. So to start creating our website, simply we have to click on websites option right here. After that, we are going to find a list of websites that we have created earlier. So as I have already mentioned, I uploaded or added 13 websites already on this platform. If you go here, you can see 13 websites. So I am going to take you to the websites again, and after that I'm going to find this option, create or migrate a website options. Click on this, and after that it is going to ask us what kind of website we are going to build. So depending on your situation, you can choose any of those options, but I'd love to go with this one, skip. I don't want any personalized experience given by them. So let's click here, and after that we have got two options. One is for creating a website, which is for new ones, which we are going to use, but you can migrate a website from any other hosting provider if you have an existing website on with any other hosting, and if you want to transfer it right here on Hostinger. So this is the option. So I'm going to click on create a new website. After that, they are going to suggest us two of the options to use AI tools, but I'm not going to use them. I didn't use them yet, but if I do in future, I would love to share my experience for sure. So I'm going to click on skip. I want to start from scratch, and after that we have got two options. But if you have just purchased the hosting from Hostinger, you would see another option right here, which would be claim your domain. So simply you have to choose a domain name. It would be completely free of cost for the first year. Simply claim it and use it for free. Okay. But if you want to buy a domain from here, you can buy a domain by selecting this option, by following the simple process. After that, you have got use an existing domain. I prefer use domains from third-party networks because it is much cheaper. If you think about, let's say 3 years, 4 years plans, it will be cheaper to purchase domains from third-party networks. So I prefer this one. So I'm going to use an existing domain which I purchased on Namecheap. So I'm going to click on select this option, and after that I'm going to type out the domain name, which is, as you can see here, furidas.art. I have just entered the domain name right here. I'm going to click on continue, and after that it is going to show us the name servers right here. So basically it is going to find the Namecheap's name server right here under this field, but it is now finding listed the Hostinger's name server because I have already connected the name server. So if I click on this, how to connect domain to hosting, you can see the walkthrough. Like there will be Namecheap's, your old name servers, and there will be the new ones that you have to put. So if I take you back, this is the important part, how to connect third-party domain with your Hostinger package. Simply go to your domain control panel, find this manage button or the DNS button, and click on manage. And after that, you are going to find name servers option, right? So as you can see here, currently it's set to custom DNS, and I have added these name servers, ns1dnsparking.com. Here we go, ns1dnsparking.com, then ns2dnsparking.com, matching with these ones. So I have added them already, but you might going to see the option selected like this. Okay, so simply what you have to do, again, let me show you if you didn't get this. Go to your dashboard or the domain list and find the domain that you want to connect your hosting with. Simply go to manage. After that, go to name servers under this domain tab, and then you will find this option selected like that. Simply click here and then select custom DNS and put the DNS or name servers which is provided by your hosting package, which is these ones, right? And after that, simply click on this check mark and you'll be all good to go. So let's move on. I'm going to click on close. After that, I'm going to click on continue as I already added them. And after that, it is going to show you the option again if you fall to any of the problems or issues. So let's move on. We are going to go with this control panel now. So I'm going to click on manage site. And for your information, I'm going to add a video about how to connect a domain name with from Namecheap to Hostinger into the video description. In case if you are still confused, you can watch that video. That would be step by step and learn from there. Okay, so as you can see here, domain star does not point into our name servers, so it is going to work while we talk, so don't worry, it is going to be disappeared soon. So let me talk about the options that we have got on the dashboard from the left side. I can see here business web hosting, this is our hosting package details, then domain is active, then here is the free email setup. So while it is being set up or getting ready for us, what I can do, I can simply start setting up an email, a business email for our business. So I'm going to click on setup now right here, and after that just take a look, it started working. Like SSL is installed for our website, so that's working. So here we go. After clicking on that email setup icon or button, we are going to select this option which is free of cost. So I'm going to click on select and it's good to go with. So I'm going to type out, let's say Farida @Farida's art. You can add sales @ contact @ something. So I'm going to type out Farida, and then I'm going to add the password here, and then I'm going to click on create. After that, it is going to, we already actually created our email address, but now it's time to connect the email address, configure it with our Gmail platform, the email platform. For instance, you can connect it to Apple Mail, Outlook, Thunderbird, Gmail, or any other platform you are using by using these POP and SMTP servers. Okay, so I'm going to go with Gmail, and after that I'm going to select desktop, and it is going to show us these options. So what I'm going to do, I am simply going to make this look like that so that I can see the features. So I am going to open up Gmail right here on the new tab, and after that I'm going to click on this gear icon and click on see all settings and go to accounts and import, and after that you are going to find this send mail as option. So we have to add the email from where we want to send emails to by using this Gmail account. So I'm going to click on add another email address, and after that we are going to receive this option where we have to add our SMTP POP informations later on. So as I have created the email for Farida, so I'm going to type out Farida and Begum, for instance. This is our full name. Okay, and then I'm going to type out the email address, which is going to be Farida @faridas.art, which I have created just now, and make sure it is selected, treat as an alias. Let's click on next step, and after that we have to change the SMTP server. Currently it is mx1.hostinger.com. so let's go back here, and after that we're going to copy this one, copy the SMTP server, paste it right here, and we have to change the port from 587 to 465. So let me select this one, 465, and after that we have to provide username, which is going to be the email address that we have just created, Farida @faridas.art, and then we have to provide the password that we have created for this email address, this specific email, right? So I'm going to type out the password here, and after that we're going to select secure connection using SSL. So whenever you change the port and SMTP code, it will be changed to SSL, otherwise it would be selected to TLS. So I'm going to go with this one. Let's click on add account. After that they are going to give us a message, confirm verification and add your email address. So now we have to go here, let's click on this one, complete. I have set up my client, and we're going to find the email, and we have to visit webmail, and just take a look. We have received an information here. So if I click here, we're going to be clicking on this link to verify our let's say email address. Here we go, confirmation. So let's click on confirm, and if I visit this, now this email has been added to our account. Now if I click here on compose, I should be able to see Farida @Faridas.art, and now I can send email by using this email address. Now After that, we have got one more thing to do. Now we are done with sending emails. What about receiving emails to this email address from any other person? So let's do the setup again. We are going back to this, let's say, settings. After that, we are going to click on see all settings. After that, we are going to go back again to accounts and import, and then we're going to find this one, check mail from. So we're going to click on add a mail account, and I'm going to reduce the size a little bit. After that, I'm going to put the email address from which we want to check the emails from. So this one, foridat.art. Let's click on next. After that, we should be able to select this one. Gamify is not available for this provider. That's perfectly fine. I'm going to select this one. Let's click on next. And now in the username, again, we have to put Forida@Forida's.art. That means the email address that we created. And after that, we have to provide the password for this email address. So I'm going to type out, let's say, okay. And after that, you have to change the pop server. So let me find out the pop server. I should have kept the settings there, but we can find the settings. Okay, let's go back by clicking here. Yep, here we go. Desktop, here we go. This is the setting. The pop setting is 995. So, and this is the link. So I'm gonna select and paste the link here, pop server, and then the port is going to be 995. And here we go. We have got the setup. Now make sure you are enabling this one, leave a copy of retrieving message to the server, then always use a secure connection and label the message, and make sure you are not selecting this option, otherwise it is going to be on the spam folder. Basically it's going to skip the inbox folder. Okay, so let me click on add account, and we are done with the process, right? So now we can send emails, we can receive emails with the business email, and I'm going to show you the way. So if I go to any of the emails that I have got here, let's say from this email, I'm going to send an email. Just a second, I'm gonna drop this right here, and I'm going to send an email. Let's say I'm gonna type out Foridas.art, and after that I'm gonna type out something hello test, and I'm gonna type out hello test. If I send this email to that email, it is going to be landed instantly to our webmail. Let me just cross this out. And if I take you back here to webmail, you will see that the email will be appeared within, like, it takes like 1 minute to 1.5 minutes to be appeared on the inbox. And after that, yeah, just take a look, it just appeared. And after around 1 minute, it is going to be appeared on our Gmail inbox as well. So you will see. Let's just wait. Gmail confirm. Just take a look. The previous email has been appeared, which you can see right here. If I take you back, sorry, this email is now showing up in this email, right? So this is already properly settled up. So now we can send and receive emails to our professional business email account. So I'm gonna skip this because it is taking some time. So now let's talk about, let me take you back to the dashboards. So let's just take a look. It's just been changed, shared Hostinger premium, and by following the steps that I've shown, you can use your business emails completely free of cost as well. So let me take you to talk about these things, daily backups. So make sure it is enabled so that in case if anything wrong happens with your website, you can go back to the earlier version and you will be all good to go with your website. After that, we have got the file manager and database and auto installer feature. So on the file manager and database, you will get all the files of your website. You can upload custom files, you can modify files if needed on your website, you can modify databases as well later on if needed. All right, and by using auto installer, we can start installing WordPress on our website. But before that, I'd love to talk about a little bit about these options that we have got here on the hosting. You can see your plan usage and some other options, like you can renew and upgrade your hosting. From performance, you can see your page speed score, analytics, and CDN, the content delivery network, which is really important. After that, you have got the security stuff. If anytime if you feel like anything anything automatically happening on your website, simply do come back here and then do the malware scan by clicking on this option. or by clicking on this option, and then you can remove any malware attacks. And make sure you have got the SSL enabled, which we already have got on our website. And from this domain, many times I hear a question like, how can I create a subdomain and add to a website? Here's the option. Simply go to this subdomains option, click on subdomain, create a subdomain, and then install WordPress or whatever website files that you want to install on that subdomain. That would be good to go. Then here's the option for parking a domain, redirecting, and set min domain. Then I've got this website option from where you can install WordPress, auto installer, add website, migrate website, and some other options. And these are the things. Here we go. These are the things, the exact same thing. From advanced, you can do some setups. For instance, you can from cache manager, I'd love to enable this automatic cache so that the website change will be updated instantly. So I was having some issues with my caching with the browser. So yep, it was a pain. I hope it is not going to go or do any pain now along this process. So let's move on. I'm going to take you to this website option, and after that I'm going to click on WordPress to install WordPress. And after that, as you can see here, we are going to find two options. The first one is if you want to upload a WordPress upload website file manually, and then you can simply go from here. So I'm going to go with this install WordPress option. So I'm going to click on install so that we can create the website easily. I'm going to select a website title, which is Forida's Art. Then I'm going to add the administrative email as Forida's Art. And then I'm gonna put a username. You can put any email address here, like Gmail, Yahoo, whatever, no worries at all. But make sure you have got access to the email, otherwise you will not be able to change password and stuff if anytime needed. Okay, so on the administrative username, I'm gonna type out Forida's Art as of now, and then the password is going to be okay. And from advanced tab, you're going to find the installation path. Make sure this subdirectory is blank, otherwise the website will be installed on that folder and you will not be able to load the website under this domain. It will be like foridas.art/abc, whatever you put, then the website will load, otherwise not. So make sure it is blank. And after that, make sure that you are creating a new database so that it will be easier in case if you want to migrate the website, if you want to get a backup of the website later. So I'm going to give a password for this as well. Okay, and let's click on next, and after that keep them as there and click on install. It might going to take like 10 to 15 seconds, and then we'll be able to see the dashboard. Just take a look, we are seeing the dashboard. That means our website is ready, and the good thing is we have got the SSL already installed. Just take a look, SSL certificate active on the website, and the force HTTP is also enabled. That means our website is secured now. So if I click on this admin panel right here, and for your information, you can see the daily backup thing, which is enabled here, PHP version, WordPress version right here, and you can do some other changes from here if you need, like creating a subdomain under this website and so on and so forth. So I'm going to take you to, let's say, admin panel of the website by clicking on this button, or we can go the other ways. Here we go, we are on the dashboard of our website. If I take you to the dashboard, you can see how it is currently looking like, and if I visit the website, you can see how the website is currently looking like. It is currently having the latest 2024 theme, and it looks nice, isn't it? So we just started working on the website, and here we go, we have got a beautiful look now. So at the very beginning, I'm going to clean up the dashboard, and then I'm going to do some basic settings, and after that we're going to move with the e-commerce thing. So I'm going to remove all of these things to make it cleaner. So I'm going to click on these things. All right, so this looks clean. And after that, I'm going to remove the posts, all the posts from here. I don't need them. I'm going to go to pages. Here is a privacy policy page. I'm going to create it later, so remove it. Remove the trash as well, delete permanently. And after that, we are going to, I'm actually going to talk about these things, like how it is going to look. So let me take you to all users, and from here I can click on edit, and I can select the admin color scheme. So let's go to modern. You can choose whatever you want. So I'm gonna go with modern. So I love this look. And after that, if you need, you can basically change the username from here, or the how you should be displayed. You can select this from here, and you can change the password if you want by clicking here. This is the automatically generated, but you can customize the password. You can create it almost new password, okay, like that, and so on. Let me cross this out. You can upload an image from here and then click on update profile after making all the changes. All right, then I'm going to take you to settings. From general, I'd love to show you the setups. You can add a tagline to your website right here. You can see that if you have added the HTTPS version of this link or not, and then you can choose the language from here, site language. You can choose whatever you go with, but I'd love to go with English, and let's click on save changes. After that, one important is reading. No, it's not going to show us the homepage yet because we didn't started creating the home pages. So let's go with permalinks. This is one of the most important settings. As of now, if you visit any of the posts or pages, they might going to show us something like this weird stuff. Whenever you visit the website, you might going to see some weird numbers like that, or maybe the link, these links might going to contain these address, sorry, these dates and things stuff, which we don't need. We should select post name so that it will look nice, easily readable, and it is the best practice for the SEO as well. So make sure it is selected to post name. Let's click on save changes, and I'm going to select this one from reading. Discourage search engines from indexing this site until I make it ready to publish, so that will not spread any wrong information or any broken information before we are ready, right? So now if I visit the website, as of now, here we have got this look. Now we are going to make a change on the template. We are going to add a new theme. We're going to add starter templates. We're going to add some plugins to make it look beautiful, and right after that I'm going to add products. I'm going to work on the payment stuff, and then I'm going to talk about the design elements of the website a little bit. So let me close this out. I'm gonna take you to appearance. Let's go to themes, and a theme is going to change the look of your website, and every theme comes with its own functionalities, own features. And a plugin, what it does, it adds up functionalities to a website, right? So we're gonna add theme, then we're gonna work with plugins as well. So let me just take you here. Just take a look. As of now, we have got 2024 installed, the latest one, and then we have got some other themes. We're gonna remove them. We don't need these themes, so I'm gonna remove them, and I'm gonna add a new theme. So let's click on add new theme from here. And after that, I will have like access to 5,977 templates. We can select any of these themes, right? And thousands of templates, basically like 100K, 200K of templates will be available in total. So, or more than that. So I'm going to select Astra for this website, but let's say you would love to go with any other specific theme. For instance, the Cadence theme, which is one of my favorite one. So you can go with this one as well, or you can go with, let's say, Nap theme. Simply make a search, you will find them here, right? So I'm gonna go with Astra for now. So I'm gonna select Astra, and let's click on install, and I'm gonna activate this theme. Here we go. The theme has been activated and installed. Now if I visit the site, I should look a different looking website now, I should say. But for the caching things, it sometimes doesn't work, so don't worry if you don't see any change. No change happened, but it's already been changed. So I'm gonna take you to an incognito mode right here, and I'm gonna visit the website and see if anything changed. Just take a look. The look of the website has been changed. Nothing is here. We have got a blank website. So let me cross this out, and now we are going to make this website look nice. We're gonna enable the e-commerce functionalities, and we're gonna speed up the process by installing starter templates. So you're going to see this option, install starter templates, right here. But in case if you are not seeing this option appearing here, where can you get the starter templates? Let me show you the process so that you'll be able to use it in case you are missing. Sometime it doesn't appear here. So simply go to Astra option, go to dashboard, and after that you're going to find this option, starter templates. But if you are not seeing these options appearing here as well, simply go to plugins. And again, as I have mentioned, plugin adds functionalities to a website. So we are going to add a new plugin. We are basically going to install this one, but not from here. I'd easily do this, but just to show you how it works and how you can find it if you're not getting them here, simply go to add plugins, and after that make a search for, let's say, starter templates, and just take a look this one, or you can maybe type out Astra. Let's see what happens. Okay, here we go. This is just being appeared. So let's click on install and just take a look. While I am working on here, it is actually working on here. So the same thing they're actually promoting right here, but sometimes that doesn't show. So this is why I went through this road to show you the process. So after installing and activating the plugin, simply select the page builder that you want to create the website with. So I love Elementor, so I'm going to select Elementor. After that, you will find lots of themes right here, or sorry, templates. So many of them will be premium, which if you want to use, you have to pay the fees, but many will be free as well. This one is free, this one is free, this one is free, this one is free, and this one is free as well. So for my case, I'm going to select an e-commerce theme. So I'm going to click on e-commerce, and after that we can select any of the themes from e-commerce option, which are free as of now, but if you want, you can pay and use any paid themes, right? So I'm going to go with this theme, which looks clean. So I'm going to select this theme. After that, from this option, I can basically change the logo, but as of now, I'm going to skip this. We can do that later from our website backend. So let me click on skip and continue. And after that, from this page, you can choose the color scheme of this website. As of now, it is selected to this color scheme. But if you want, you can try some other options. Just take a look. The colors will be changed. So I'm going to go with the default one. It looks good, but I can make whatever change necessary later. So I'm going to click on continue. And after that, make sure all of these options are selected, and I'm going to ignore this part. I don't want to give them my name and email address as of now. So let's click on submit and build my website. And it should take around 30 seconds to 1 minute to build the website for us. So let's just wait. Just take a look. Elementor has been activated, and they are activating our forms, they're activating WooCommerce and all the necessary plugins needed. They're going to install all the widgets, install the pages to our website, and we'll be able to customize everything depending on our need. So let's just wait while they're working, and let's see how it goes. All right, so here it is almost 90%. So they're giving the finishing touch. Let's see how it goes. Sometimes it shows the error message if it is not successfully installed, but here you go. Congratulations, we are done, and we have got this site ready under 30 seconds, under 40 seconds. And now we can visit the website. I hope I'll be able to see the updated one. Otherwise, I'd see the previous one because of the caching stuff. So I'm gonna select nope. So what I can do, I can simply go to new incognito mode, and then I'm gonna type out Farida's art, and here we go. This is the look of our website. We have got this cart button. That means our website does have now the e-commerce functionalities, and people will be able to visit the website and things like that. So let's try out some of the things. If I click on this product as of now, and let's say I want 2 of them, and if I click on add to cart, and we can see the description, reviews, and related products here, right? So let's click on add to cart, and after that let's click on view cart, and we can see that we have got the promo code option. That means we can create a promo code and activate so that people will be able to apply the promo code to get some, let's say, discounts. And then we have got proceed to checkout button. So let me click on proceed to checkout, and here we go. Everything looks fine. They can add a promo code right here on this page as well, provide their information, but we are seeing that we don't have any payments gateway setup done. So we're going to come back, and I'm going to show you how to work on these things soon. So what I'd love to do now, I'd simply love to take you back to the WordPress admin dashboard, and after that let's start this process by adding a product to our website, right? As of now, it is looking pretty good here on this side, and we have got some products. So I'm going to remove these products, and then I'm gonna add a new product. So let's go back here, and after that we are going to go to products, and let's go to all products, and after that I'm going to remove all of the products. But before that, let me show you something. If I take you to pages, you will see for each of the functionalities we have got each pages. We have got about page, cart page, checkout, contact, home page, my account, shop page. So all the pages that necessary for the e-commerce website to run properly functionally, we have got them added right here automatically. So now if we want to adjust anything, we can do them by clicking on edit and like that, right? So let's go to products page, and we're going to remove the previous products that we had, and I'm going to select and move to trash and click on apply, and the products has been trashed. Now how can we add a new product to our website? The process is simple. I'm going to click on add new, and I'm going to give a product name right here. So let's say stunning watercolor flower stickers SBG bundle. I want to sell these sticker bundles. Okay, so I provided the heading. Depending on your situation, your product, you have to provide your product details here. So I've got a long description for the product written here, so I'm gonna copy and paste the details right here. And after that we have got the product data. So select from here, you can select what kind of product you are selling. So it is a simple product, and this is a downloadable product, so select this one. After that I'm gonna sell this product for, let's say, 14 pounds, and the sale price is going to be, let's say, 11 pounds. And you can schedule the sale price, like it is going to be valid from today to till 20th of November or so on and so forth. So I'm going to cancel this one. Let's keep this as it is. And after that, here is the option where we can add our product. So let's click on add file, and after that I'm going to give it a name, let's say stunning watercolor. Then I'm going to upload the file, which is going to be choose file. I'm going to upload the file from here, select file, and you can upload up to 2 GB of data. So let me click on select files, and this is the file which is containing all of the, let's say, images that I want to sell, right? So let me take you back here, and let's select the file. Let's click on open. It is going to upload it, and the link will be selected, and we can actually add the product here, so that whenever someone will purchase the product from us, they will receive a link to download the product, and they will be able to access all of the products by simply extracting them. So here you go, it is almost done finishing. If you want, you can add some caption, description, but I'd love to keep them as there. So let me click on insert file URL, and here you go. Now on the download limit, you can select like how many times a person can download this file. So you can put after 10 times of download, they should not be able to download, but it's not a good thing because you are selling the digital product. So I'm going to keep this unlimited. And after that, if you want, you can put an expiry date, but for instance, after 10 days, they will not be able to download this file anymore, even if they are a paid customer. So I'm going to keep this never digital product. They should be able to select and do their business whenever they want. So for a digital product, the inventory stuff doesn't matter. The shipping, we are not shipping anything. Linked products, we can add the upsell and cross-sell products right here, but we don't have any products. So in this case, I'm gonna skip them here, but you can put 3 products which will be listed right under the product that you are selling now, or that someone is buying a product of. Then you can add the attributes, the color, size, and things. Then advanced, we have got the purchase note and some other details. So let's go to general mode, and after that let's proceed for the short description. So I have got a short description. I'm going to select them right here, copy, and Command Shift V. Here we go. I have got the short description. So you have to write your own. For sure, you can put use ChatGPT, any tool, or you write yourself. So we're done with the left side. Let's talk about the right side. So as you can see, the visibility will be public whenever I'll publish this listing, and if you want, you can publish this listing later by clicking on this edit icon. You can set a specific date, but I'm gonna publish it immediately as I want to show you the process. After that, you have got the option for product image. So let's select the featured product image. I'm gonna select this one. Let's click on upload files. Let's select files, and I'm gonna select this picture from here. Click on open, and then you can put some alternative text which is required for SEO purposes, but for now I'm gonna skip it. and I'll come back and I'll fill this up later. So let me click on set product image, and here we go, a beautiful image appeared. After that, I'm gonna select this one, product category. So if you want, you can create a category, and you should. So I'm gonna type out floral, as I have got many more floral designs which I want to select sell, so that I'll be able to select this category later. After that, I'm gonna click on add new category, and if you want, you can add product tags. So let's say floral designs, flower design. That's it. If you want, you can add more, but for me, I'm gonna go with this one, and we don't have to touch any of these things. These are perfectly fine. Now let's click on publish. Now if I visit this product in link here, you can see that we have got a beautiful product link without the date stuff and things, because we changed the permalink in the beginning. And after that, we have got this product is on sale, and as of now they can purchase this for £11. And if they click on add to cart, view cart, they can simply click on proceed to checkout, but they will not be able to place the order because we didn't activate the payment option. So let's talk about this coupon code just to show you how it works, and then I'm going to work with the payment stuff. So I'm going to take you back here, and after that, from this dashboard, let me take you to dashboard so that it will be easier in case. So after that, you will find this marketing, then you're going to find this coupon option. So let's click on coupons. After that, you can see this create your first coupon, but if you have already got some coupons here, you can click on add coupon button right here. And after that, you can give the coupon a name. For instance, let's say Black Friday, Black 50 or 40% off, Black 40, let's say. And then you can add a description if you want, but it's not necessary, or you can generate a coupon code from here. Okay, so I'm going to put this one, and after that, you can select the discount type. You can add this coupon to a fixed card discount, like how much after spending this much they will get this discount, fixed product discount, or percentage discount. So I'm going to select percentage discount, and I'm going to give a 40% off discount. And if you want, you can select that the free shipping based product as well be selected, but I'd love to keep this as it is. Then coupon expiry date, if you want this for unlimited, don't put anything, but if you want this to be stopped in a certain time period, let's say on 20th November it should be stopped, then you can select this date. After that, click on publish, and here we go, this is your coupon. I'm going to click copy this coupon from here, and from coupons we should be able to see our coupon right here. I'm going to take you to this cart and then reload this page, and if I put this coupon code right here and apply coupon, we should be able to see, just take a look, we have got like Black 40 added, and they are getting $4.40 of discount, and they're now be able to purchase this product for $6.60. Now if they click on proceed checkout, they are not going to be able to proceed to the checkout because we didn't enable the feature. So now it's time to enable the checkout process. I'm going to take you back here on the dashboard. After that, I'm going to take you to plugins, or basically we can do the setup directly from the WooCommerce, but I'm going to show you the process from, let's say, the plugins by adding the Stripe plugin platform. So let me click on add new plugin, and then I'm going to type out Stripe here, and you're going to find many of the platforms. Let's say this one is from some other developers, payment plugin, payment approach from Stripe, but I'd love to use this one, which is WooCommerce supported. So I'm going to click on install, and for different countries you'll find different payment gateway plugins. Simply search for them, and then you can utilize these things to enable the payment process or things. So let me click on activate. I'm going to click on activate. After that, where is Stripe? Here we go, WooCommerce Stripe gateway. Same way, if you want, you can go here on plugins, add new plugin, and you can add PayPal as well. So WooCommerce PayPal payments, click on install and click on activate. Okay, so these are the popular ones I have just added. So now what I'd love to do, I'd simply go for the Stripe ones now. So I'm going to click on Stripe settings under the plugins. Okay, and you will find this option, create or connect your account. So I'm going to click on create or connect account option right here, and after that I'm going to provide my Stripe account details, my email address, and my password, and click on login. You have to set up a Stripe account, which is free to set up, right? So I'm gonna bypass the security thing here. All right, then you can create an account for this store if you want. So as I already have one created earlier, so I'm going to click on this and click on connect, and let's see. Okay, so I think we're done here. PayPal payments is almost ready, so I don't want to add the PayPal payment as of now, so I'm gonna simply skip this. But here we go, we have got the settings: enable Stripe display setting, credit card. So I don't want the Stripe written here, credit card, pay with credit card. Let's say pay with credit card, and pay with your credit card via Stripe. So pay with your credit card, that's it. And if you want, you can enable the test mode to check out if it is working or not, but it should perfectly work fine actually. So I'm going to click on this, and after that you can see that payments and payouts has been already enabled, and it is showing the check mark because it is already been connected. So if you want, you can add the webhooks, but it's not necessary. Sometimes if this bypasses or if it is not working on your account, then you can add the webhook. So in this case, I'm not gonna work on this. After this, we have got enable payments via saved cards. Obviously people can save cards and then can use this card later. And let me show you, all the things looks good. Okay, I'm gonna simply click on save changes. But if you want, you can simply test by enabling test mode and then edit account keys. If you click here, you should be able to see the test things here, but live ones are automatically being collected. But for the test ones, you can simply put the ones from your Stripe account dashboard. Most probably I have to sign into my Stripe account, stripe.com, sign in, and after that you have to enable. Just take a look here, you can see the developers, you have got the keys and secret key here. But if you want to, you can simply enable the test mode, and then you can uncheck them, copy and use them directly from here and add them right here. So I'm gonna skip this part, I don't want to make this longer one. So okay, seems that we have got the things ready, but make sure this feature is not checked. If it is checked, then it is not going to work, so make sure it is unchecked. And after that, click on save changes. You're good to go. Now what I'd love to do, I'd simply take you to settings under WooCommerce, and then on the general tab you are going to be able to put the business address. You can select the currency of your website, like you can put Fijian dollar, US dollars and many other currencies right here. So I'm gonna go with pound sterling, that's perfectly fine. And then you can, from product page, you can set up the product related information. So as we are selling the digital product, we can skip these parts. And for tax, many countries doesn't require the tax for the digital products, but if it is required for your country, you can simply add tax information right here. Then I have got shipping information that we don't have to touch as of now. So I'm going to go with payments. From payment tab, we can see that we have got the Stripe enabled, and then if you want, you can enable PayPal. If you want, you can enable cash on delivery. If you're a local business operator, you can check payments, add check payments or direct bank transfers. So I'm gonna keep them as there with Stripe option only, and let's go for account and privacy and see some of the options. Just take a look here. Go account creation, allow customers to create an account during checkout. If a customer wants, they can create an account and then log into our website. Then allow customers to create an account on my account page. So keep them or give them the options so that they will be able to create accounts and they will be able to see their account data. They'll be able to see their order status, etc. on there. So from emails, oops, I didn't save this settings, so let me click on save. From emails, you can set which email should be sent on which time. Like if I click on manage, you can see that this email is going to be sent to Farida, like congratulations on the sale, whenever I'll make any new sale. And on cancel order, you will be able to manage the message. You can customize the message depending on your need. So depending on your need, you can basically customize them, but as of now I need to skip them. Then I've got integration. If you want, you can add more integrated like license and stuff. You can add them right here. and from advanced we actually don't have to do anything as of now here. So let's move on. I'm gonna take you right here on our website. Let's go to shop and let's try to purchase this product now, and let's see if we can see the payment option. Here we go. We are seeing buy with Google Pay, or we can integrate Apple Pay as well. So if I click on add to cart, let me take you to view cart, and let's see, here we go, we have got the coupon added. If I want, I can remove this one, and I can click on, let's say, proceed to checkout from here, and then we can provide the details right here, and then someone can put their credit card details or the debit card details, and they will be able to purchase the product. All right, so here we go. This was the process how you can create your e-commerce store, how you can add a digital product, how you can set up the payment gateway. Now let me talk about the design stuff. So if I take you right here on our pages, and as of now we have got about cart, checkout, contact, home, my account, and shop pages. So let's go to home page. I'm gonna go to edit with Elementor. For instance, I wanna make the change right here on the home page, right? So I can give it a name. Instead of art, I can say Farida's art, and then I'm gonna add a, let's say, add a custom message right here, just like your design need, supplier of design of your design need, SUPPLIER of your design needs. Okay, so this is my title as of now, and then I can put shop now and click on this link, and I can put some of the products link or some of the product categories link right here. All right, so by following this process, you'll be able to customize your text of your website, and if you want, you can add a new content right like this, add a heading, and you can customize them. You can put them to center, you can center align and things like that. So I don't need this one. Simply click on that, remove. If you want, you can duplicate any of the element, so remove this part. I don't want this as well, so delete. And then if you want to change the background, simply click on this 6 dots, and after that you will find this option like layouts. You have to go to style, then click on delete, and you can keep this. It's looking much better for me, but I'm gonna click on choose image. You can upload an image from your computer, you can choose one from your media library, you can add a free image. So I'm gonna go here, and let's say I'm gonna select an image design, and let's see what comes up, and depending on that we're gonna select one of them. So let's say this one, just as an example, I'm gonna select this image and then click on save and insert. Let's see how it is going to look. Let's click on select and just take a look how it is looking like. It's not looking good. So in this case, we can add a background overlay. We can add a color here. So let's say I'm going to give a black color. Then the opacity is going to be increased, and I can change the color of this text to white if I need. So I'm going to click on text color white, and for this one as well, I'm going to change the text color to white. So simply play around and you'll be able to figure out how things work. So this looks weird, but it's okay. I've just shown how you can make the changes, right? So to make the changes working for you, simply click on update and it's good to go. Now let's say you want to add a section right here where you want to show the featured items. So by default, we are seeing the products. If I click here, I should be able to see that products limit, columns, and order ID, then visibility. So all of the products, basically the normal products are appearing here, but you want only the featured ones should be appeared right here on this page. How can you enable this one? Although we have got one product, but let me show you the process. So if you have got thousands of products, hundreds of products, you can follow the process and do the setup for on your websites. So I'm going to add a new section, let's say right here after this one. So I'm going to click on this plus sign and you can select the structure of the column. So I'm going to go with this structure, and after that what we have to do, we have to get a shortcode element. So I'm going to go right here, and after that I'm going to type out shortcode, and let's grab this right here, and after that we have to get a code of WooCommerce shortcodes. So I'm going to go to here and WooCommerce shortcodes, and after that I'm going to open this link. I'm going to attach this link for your easy access and type out TURED featured products, and here we go. We have got scenario 2 featured products, but if you want, you can add random sale items, you can add best selling products, You can add newest products by following the process, but I'm showing you just for the featured products. So I'm going to copy this and I'm going to paste this code right here, and I'm going to save this. And before this code or before the items, I'd love to add a new heading which should say featured products. So I'm going to click here on these icons, and then I'm going to grab a heading right here, and then I'm going to type out, let's say, featured items as an example. And now if I click on update, we'll see no change appeared here on the home page. Oops, no, I should say like foreigners.art. Okay, on the home page we are not seeing anything appearing here. So let me show you how we can enable the featured items feature and how it works. So I'm gonna take you back right here on the backend, and after that I'm going to take you to my WordPress dashboard, and from products, let's go to all products. If you click on this star, this product is going to be now a featured item. So now if I visit this website right here, let's reload this page, you can see that we have got this featured item added, and we have got a random product as well. So we can work on the size of the image and things. So simply spend some time and you can figure this out. But if you want, I have got a detailed video about this and I'll upload this soon. Okay, so let's just remove this and let's talk about, what should I talk about more? Let me just check out at a glance. If you want, you can add more functionalities. Let's say if you want people to be able to let's say keep a product on wish list, you can enable this one. So simply go to plugins, appearance or plugins, and add new plugin and type out, let's say, wish list, and you can see that there will be many of the plugins. So choose this one, TI eCommerce wishlist. So I'm going to click on install, and you can see that people will be able to add a product to their wish list, although it's not necessary they are being able to add this on their cart, but still. So just take a look, they're going to get us to this setup wizard. We can click on let's go, we're gonna click continue, we're gonna click continue. Most of the setups are done for us already, so I'm gonna click on continue, and continue, and let's go back to our dashboard. Now if someone visits this website or reload this page of the product, not from here, let's go to shop, they should be able to find an option to add to wish list. Just take a look, click on wish list, and then they can view the wish list and they can cross this as well. So this is the process how you can start creating an e-commerce website on WordPress, how you can start selling digital products, although it is looking really a worst looking website as of now. But I'm going to work on this. I'm going to add my products, I'm going to design the elements, and I've just shown how we can do that. If you want, you can add button stuff and things on your website easily using Elementor. I'm going to attach a video link into the attach a few video links into the video description so that you can learn more process of customizing a website with Elementor. So I believe I was able to cover the important things in this video, but if I have missed anything, it is a long video, I could have missed something. So if I've missed anything, or if you want to know about any specific thing, please do let me know by commenting below. It would be my pleasure to get back to you with any solution. Thank you so much for watching. Have a good day. Bye bye.